Aloha! Welcome to Kiss the Dirt with Nanette. I'm Nanette. Thank you for tuning in again. I have here the Joke Electric Hover Lawnmower. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you know a little bit about it already. I was speaking about using it in accordance with a torch. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. 2 days ago, I torched the rock wall along here, you see? So you see it's like, instead of weed eating, the torch is much cleaner. And of course, we don't want to use any toxic chemicals on the land anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it'll go ahead and clean right up there, right in the area, just this side of the torching. And it really doesn't matter if it's grass. I just love the way it cuts. Here we go with the Joke. If you didn't watch the last video, here we go. We just push this button. I've already plugged it in. This button right here. And away it goes. You folks, but over here in Hawaii we have a lot of rocks. We live on a lava rock island, and so you see how it just went right over the rocks like that? That's the thing I like about it. I mean, it just goes right over most rocks if they're really sticking up, and once in a while it'll hit them, but once in a while it'll ting, you know, some rocks. The blades are so easy and so cheap, so easy to change. So it might just even damage just one blade, not all of them if you hit a lot of rocks. But it's been my experience, it pretty much goes over most of the rocks, like especially gravel, you know, where you have all the little gravel rocks. I'm going to show you a little bit more. I have to do this anyway. Thanks for joining me. It's nice to have company. Actually, I should have tied it together. There were some clamps that came with the Joke, which I actually didn't use, that hold the cord onto the machine. And did I mention it costs $85 and Amazon Prime free shipping? We love Amazon Prime over here in Hawaii. And thank you, Amazon, because before we had Amazon Prime shipping, we didn't get free shipping from other companies either. But now that Amazon has free shipping, we've been getting more free shipping to Hawaii, which helps us so much. So thank you, Amazon. I got it pretty fast, but they might be selling like hotcakes. If you want one, I put your order in right away. Of course, you guys got snow over there in the mainland. We're over here in Hawaii. It's a sunny day, but we've been getting so much rain. That's why everything's so overgrown here. And I'm gonna keep Joking. It's so easy. I love it. how short you want your grass. That's the thing I like about it. One of the things I like about it. And also it mulches the grass instead of, you know, like flying the weeds all over the place, or just like you have this multitude of long grass that you gotta go rake up. This one mulches the grass to where you can't even see the grass. Hi, Stoli. Come here, Stoli. Give me everybody. It's my dog, Stoli. Say hi, Stoli. So thank you very much for watching. Oh, let me show you one more thing, in case you didn't see the other video. Here's the underneath. Here's the 3 blades. I have a video how to change them, but you know, like, next time I think I would have covered the ends because they got worn off from hitting them on rocks. I was still able to take them off with a pipe wrench and change them just fine. These blades are so strong, it's amazing. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.